Hi, I'm Officer Deglicia Maria with the Medley Police Department here in South Florida, and we're here to talk to you about what to expect at a traffic stop. When you see us behind you, the first thing that we ask is that when you pull over to the right. The reason that we ask to the right of the shoulder is just that we can prevent us from getting struck from behind, which can prevent a further crash from the person in front. Once you're pulled over, I'll wait for the officer to approach and have your documents ready: your driver's license, your registration, and proof of insurance. Remain in the vehicle at all times unless you're directed to do so by the officer. Remain calm. Remember, this is a situation that is tense for the officer, as statistically more officers are killed in the line of duty through a traffic stop. Although your intentions may not be quite bad to the officer doesn't know that. So remaining calm and having documents ready and following instructions will keep the traffic stop safe for you and for the officer. After the officer has gotten your documents, your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, the officer should return back to his car, and what they're checking for is the status of your driver's license, the status of your registration, and checking your insurance. Once the officer has checked all the information, the officer is going to come back with a result or a conclusion as to what's going to happen with the traffic stop.